It literally looks so good. Like, check out the frame. It literally looks brand new. The whole suspension. Boys, we got some work to do today. So we're in the garage, and the suspension on my Ford, if you guys don't know, it's just not looking too hot. The suspension itself is in good shape and everything, but like this metal, I don't know why, but it's like rusty. The axles look ugly. Like, it all just kind of looks like trash. So I'm about to sand this stuff up, rattle it up, spray paint my truck. This is all you really need, just some, you know, rust protector, satin enamel, and get this thing looking right. So I'm gonna pull these wheels off, jack it up, paint that ugly drive shaft too. There's a whole bunch of crap. I got a freaking whole bunch of stuff I need to paint. Also, this rear drive shaft looks like crap. Oh, we got the FedEx guy here. And yeah, this actually might take a while. I'm thinking this might take me a couple hours, but it needs to be done, and I've been avoiding it. So I'm gonna jack this thing up.
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some love.
All right, so I got the wheels off. Looking good, but looking rusty. So I got my little wire brush here. The frame, I'm just gonna clean it up. I'm gonna show you guys the little secret to getting your frame look mint without painting it. But only thing I'm painting, I'm gonna paint right here. I'm gonna paint all this rusty stuff. Probably hit the calipers a little bit, hit all this, but it should look pretty good. So let's get to it. All right, boys, so we got some progress going. I sanded all this thing down with the grinder. As you can see, it's like kind of almost like raw steel. I just put some stripper on the diff cover right here because the paint was so thick and it wouldn't grind off and it all looked like shit. So I'm gonna keep going, get this cleaned up. I'm gonna wipe this off, then wipe it down with acetone, and then I'm gonna tape up like my stabilizers and then some of this nice powder coat, and then tape up my shocks and stuff, and then just start spraying and hit it with the can. So it should come out pretty good. I mean, that's the hope. I mean, I hope it comes out good. But it's a little bit tedious, but we're gonna make it look mint. All right, boys, so it's been about 30 minutes, and check this out. It's almost looking pretty good. About to scrub it off, wipe it down. I got everything taped up, papered up that I want to. I can aim pretty good with the can, and let's get this thing painted. I'm gonna wipe this stuff off, and then I'm gonna clean it with some acetone. Make sure there's no more stripper on there. I'm gonna paint it, so let's hope this comes out good. Just look at it. So like all that nasty stuff just like comes off now, and everything that doesn't come off, I'm gonna hit it with the grinder. Boys, we are ready to paint. I just wiped down the whole suspension with acetone, and she's not looking good, but she's about to be looking good because we're about to paint this bad boy up. A little bit of rattle can. We got some rust protector satin, and should look pretty freaking sick. Oh boy, she's looking right. Finally got the front end all painted up. Gotta untape it, which, you know, we can do as we speak. Got the steering stabilizers all taped off nice, and it literally looks 100 times better. It looked so bad before, and it finally looks good. So I'm gonna untape it, maybe hit a couple spots that I missed, but looks pretty good. We still gotta do the rear end, but we're getting there. Boys, check it out. It came out freaking sick up front. Can you guys tell? Like, literally it looks so much better. And I'm about to show you guys the secret ingredient to brand new looking suspension. This is like a life hack right here. So, as you can see, we all know what WD-40 is. And a lot of this old frame, look at it gets like white, but it's not like you need to repaint this. This paint's still perfect. It just needs a little bit of love. It's like when you put wax on your car and it looks better. So what you're gonna use is WD-40. This stuff literally works magic. And you can spray literally everything. I'm gonna spray everything I didn't paint. But usually I spray everything, but I need to let that paint dry a little bit. But ready, watch this. So as you can see, look at the frame. Can you guys see? All right, see how the frame's all white? Ready, watch this. Boom. Right now it's drying a little bit, so it looks a little like splotchy, but once it dries, it literally looks brand new. Like this stuff is like literally like new whip in a can, I call it. Not really, I don't really call it that, but. Look, and then you get in here, get all this, because this is all kind of gross too. Oh, in my eye. Look at, see, all white, as you can see, all nasty, and then boom, like new. And that is how you make your suspension look brand new again. So now we got her looking all mint up front, literally like so mint. Now I'm doing a tire rotation because your front tires always wear a little bit weirder than the rear. So I'm gonna put the rears on the fronts on the rears, and then I'm gonna start painting the rear end, which I'm really not looking forward to, but we're gonna time lapse that and do it really quick. And I'm out of breath because it's hot here in Florida, so let's get it. So we're heading down to the gas station right now. I'm gonna show you guys how mint this suspension came out. It literally came out so good. I finally get to show you how good this suspension came out. So check this out. It literally looks so good. Like, check out the frame. It literally looks brand new. The whole suspension, all the axles, all the track bars, everything looks so mint now. I hit it with a little bit of tire shine too. It looks pretty minty right now, but as you can see, WD-40 did the job, like always. A lot of you guys don't know about that secret. Everyone always asks me about it, and that's how you make, like, this didn't even get painted. This is all just WD-40, but check it out. The rear end came out sick too. Look, I did my rear drive shaft. Finally, that thing was so bad. It was like literally brown. Looks freaking mint. And my tip, and it's kind of how I did it, just because this is all rusty. I don't know why it looks like that. That's just the exhaust that came with the truck, so it looks better than it did. It's looking pretty mint, not gonna lie. I literally love how it came out. It just cleans it up so nice. But that's the tips and tricks of the trade. If you're trying to clean up your truck, that's all it takes. So let me know if this helped you. I know a lot of people have been asking me how I did this, so I figured I'd make a video about it. This is kind of a boring video, it's just like an instructional video, but you know, I figured you guys would want to see how I do it because it definitely came out pretty nice. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna roll out of here. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.